Welcome to another segment of Time is Money, whereby we look at many of the benefits of machining with oil filtered to 1 micron from a Transor system. Today's episode, we're going to be looking specifically at the reduction in terms of maintenance cost as compared to other systems, and also the availability of reclaiming valuable materials such as carbide. One of the real advantages of a Transor system is reclaiming valuable carbide. And sludge from a Transor system generates top dollar because it's not mixed with any foreign filter media, and you also don't have to disassemble the filter cartridge itself. I know it doesn't look like much, but in the proper hands, this isn't sludge. This is liquid gold.